Say yes to Encore. With 12 ways to win and $1 million top prize.
How would you describe, it's pretty hard to pinpoint this, but people who buy lottery tickets and do it regularly? You know, I mean, it'd be interesting to see if you took a look at the cross-section of Ontarians. Are they people who are middle class, working poor, are hoping for bigger things, the very wealthy? I don't know, but it seems like, according to our viewers, a lot of money invested in these lottery tickets over the years with great hopes.
Yeah, you ask who buys lottery tickets, and I think everybody. It's probably not limited to anybody. I'd love to help add to my meager pension contributions by winning a lottery. I'm sure a lot of people feel that way, especially people like Kathleen when she expresses how difficult it is in today's environment and plan for retirement, buy a home, and people, they buy a couple of bucks on a ticket, they forego a beer for the week, and they buy a lottery ticket.
And you trust that that money is fair and square as far as going in and coming out.
Yeah.
Okay. Scunny, haven't heard from you in a while. Hi, Scunny.
Hi, Ann. Hi. I'm afraid I have to laugh, but I don't mean to denigrate anybody who buys these lottery tickets. I've never bought these things. I heard years ago that it's a stupidity tax. People that buy these things, the odds are against them. It doesn't really help our society that much. I grew up in a society where gambling was illegal here in Ontario. Suddenly we've got the government as the house, and everybody's being conned.
Yeah, interesting, the government as the house.
The house always wins.
$1 million Happy Dance. The next Lotto 649 jackpot is an estimated $25 million. Get your ticket today.